Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save locations in Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you want to keep track of places you'd like to visit, your favorite spots, or locations you're planning to include in your next trip. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you can access all the location saving features we'll be working with today. Once you're on Google Maps, you have two options to find the location you want to save. You can either type the name or address of the location into the search bar at the top of the screen, or you can simply click directly on a location that appears on the map itself. Either method works perfectly fine, so choose whichever feels more convenient for you. After you've selected your location, you'll notice that the left side of your screen displays detailed information about that place. This panel shows you everything from the address and reviews to photos and opening hours. This is where we'll be working to save your location. Look for the Save button within this information panel and click on it. This button is your gateway to organizing your saved locations into different categories that make sense for your needs. Once you click Save, you'll be presented with several category options to choose from. You can select favorites for places you visit regularly or love, want to go for locations you're planning to visit in the future, travel plans if you're organizing an upcoming trip, starred places for general bookmarks, or saved places for any other locations you want to keep track of. Choose the category that best fits the purpose of saving this particular location. This organizational system helps you keep everything neatly sorted and easy to find later. Now, to view your saved location, look to the left side of the screen and click on Saved. This will open up your Saved Locations menu. From here, click on the specific category you chose when saving the location, whether that was Favorites, Want to Go, or any of the other options. Once you select that category, you'll see the location you just saved listed there, along with any other locations you've previously saved in that same category. And that's it. You've successfully saved a location in Google Maps and organized it into a category that makes it easy to find whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.